Do you want to get well, let me check you here. Okay, good. Raise up the right. The left. Right again. Okay, you only got one side this time.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Well, we'll have you lay on your back and we'll take you through the... Does it have sound?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Are you gonna sing?
No. I was gonna say we can't cuss. No, I know you ain't done that way, John. Right. So we did your back, and it's only out on one side. It's restricted on the left, but it gives you pain on the right.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I've been trying probably for a few days to have a frog kick.
That's not working. I think you just
kick.
need somebody to give you a little bit of oomph in there.
Yeah.
So you just keep on with the frog, you know.
Right.
So you do this maneuver to assess the motion. Oh, where does that hurt? Where does that hurt?
Right by your hand.
Oh, I'm sorry.
My knee. Oh.
Okay, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Is that better now?
Yeah.
I was winding you up. Yeah, you got a little fluid there behind the patella there. Yeah, try to stay off that if you can.
Okay.
Is it still hurting back there?
No, it stopped as soon as.
Okay, good.
Oh, it's a new pain. I've never had that one before.
Probably just stretch the ligament in there. Okay, now bring up both legs. Good. Okay, just do you know what to do there. Put your heels together. So what we do then, guide it down. Good. Okay.
And every time I do it, I hear a little clunk.
You hear a click,
clunk,
click. Yeah.
clunk, clunk,
That
clunk.
only does half the job. Now this is the second part of the job that usually gets it in place. Now turn towards me. Good. Did you enjoy pretzel?
Yeah.
Well, you got a good bruise there too, huh?
Yeah.
Boy, you
Can't
get
blame it on Lynn.
no, Lynn's not beating you up, huh? Now turn over towards me. Straighten out the lower leg. Good. That hurt?
No,
Feel
but I
good.
felt a little something.
Did you? Okay,
A
good.
couple of clickies.
Goodness.
Doesn't really hurt. No.
Well, you can sit up on it if you wish. Now, I gotta look for the chills.
Yeah.
Now, let me see if I got that back. Stand up and we'll see. Okay, good. Now, raise up your right knee. Okay, good. Left, okay, we got you in. So, all right. Didn't hurt the back.
No, it doesn't hurt when you can do anything to me when I'm laying down.
Good, okay.
So when I'm vertical, all the pain comes.
Isn't that something? You know, it's a shame.
Yeah.
Wow. You know, most of the time these darn sacroiliacs are, you can be doing about anything, and then when it goes out, you know?
Right, and that's exactly what.
I think most of the time we put them out, we get them back in, put them out, you know, naturally during the day, but some of the time they stick, then you're in trouble.
Right.
So,
Well, that backward thing seems to be the. When you show me that again, would you exactly look?
yeah, always
Bottom
have this straight.
Bottom straight.
And I usually just put the foot in the crook of the.
Okay, crook of the knee.
Then what you gotta do,
Gotta pull that out.
that's rotating the spine. And then what I do is I put the force here on this bone.
Okay.
See, and
That
shoot
is
it.
my pelvis.
Yeah, shoot it towards your femur here.
With your forearm.
Yeah. So what I do is I'm pushing mainly here. And
Okay.
I'm stabilizing.
Even there. Okay.
So that's the main impetus.
So you're twisting the bottom, my pelvic area. You're pulling it towards
Yeah,
the
the force is going this way.
down.
And see, you're immobilized naturally by just laying on the table.
Right.
On the right side, you see. So all you gotta do is introduce rotation, and it automatically goes into side bending. And that's what you need to do.
Would I hanging help, you know? Like if they put
I don't know. I don't.
I never heard of anybody going
No,
back by
not for that
not
particular
for
joint. I think that's mainly for lumbar, getting a chill.
A little bit.
A little bit. That's mainly for the lumbar. Excuse me. Does that feel a little bit better?
Yeah. You are.
You poor guy.
Oh my God.
That's no good.
Wish you lived next door.
Yeah, that'd be great. Well, I'll let you know when something's for sale down there.
Cool.
Yeah. Well, I hope that do the trick.
Hope so.
Okay. All right, sir.
Thank you.
Always good to see you.
See you again.
Okay, I'm not gonna mess with that.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to knock it over.
This is my little vacation.
Okay. I'll see you later.
Thank you, Doctor.